Hi, welcome to my channel Recipes from Hema's Kitchen. I'm Hema Bhatt and today I have chicken pulao. Yes, delicious one pot recipe. Let's see how to make this. You're gonna love this. And before I show you how to make chicken pulao, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my video with family and friends. Hit the bell icon so you're always notified of any new recipes that I put up first. Let's make chicken pulao. So here I'm making a spice powder. I'm adding cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and red Kashmiri chili powder. And I'm going to grind this. And now I'm going to take this out on a plate. Now I'm going to start the Instant Pot. I'm adding clarified butter, that's ghee, to the pot. And once it melts, I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, onions, I'm going to saute it, and I'm going to add salt. Salt helps in cooking the onions quickly. So I'm going to cook this till it turns slightly brown. Now you can see the onions have turned brown. I'm going to add my ginger garlic paste, and I'm going to saute till the raw smell of ginger garlic goes. Now I'm going to add the spice mix powder. You can even apply this to the chicken, the spice mix powder, and saute the chicken here if you want. So once I saute this, now after 2 minutes, I'm going to add the green chilies and tomatoes, coriander leaves, finely chopped, and mint, finely chopped. Now I'm going to saute this till the tomatoes are completely soft and the whole masala comes together and leaves oil. So now you can see this oil leaving the sides. Now I'm going to add sour cream. If you don't have sour cream, you can add yogurt. I'm going to saute this till oil leaves. Then I'm going to add salt to taste. We have added salt before. Give this a good mix. Now again, I'm going to saute till the oil leaves. So once the oil starts leaving from the sides, I'm going to add the stock. I'm taking chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can use water as well. Give it a good mix and let it come to a boil. So now it's boiling. I'm going to cover it till it completely starts boiling. So I'm going to add the chicken. And now I'm adding the rice. Give that also a good mix. Now put this on pressure cook mode and cook for 6 minutes on high. Close the ceiling. Now let it naturally release pressure, and then I'm going to open it. Now I'm going to just add almost a tablespoon of ghee here. It gives a nice flavor. If you don't want, you can skip this. And now I'm going to plate it. Oh my god, look at that. I'm just going to show you. Looks amazing. Look at the rice. It's nicely done. Very well cooked, not overcooked. There, it's so good. Now I'm going to transfer this to a bowl and serve hot. with some raita and onions. So, did you like this easy to make chicken pulao? Yes, tasty. Let me know how you like this recipe. Share in the comment box. And I'll see you in my next recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos with family and friends. Thank you for watching. Take care, stay safe, stay well.